Stop chasing goals. Build systems that actually work. Why goals keep failing you. Most people love goals. Goals feel exciting. Goals feel powerful. Goals make us dream. I want to be successful. I want to be rich. I want to speak English fluently. I want to change my life. At the start, goals give us energy. We feel motivated. We feel hopeful. We feel ready to begin. But after a few days, something strange happens. The motivation fades. Life gets busy. We feel tired. We feel stuck. And slowly, we stop. This is not because you are lazy. This is not because you are weak. This is not because you are not smart enough. It is because goals alone do not work. Goals show you the destination, but they do not show you the road. Imagine you want to climb a mountain. You stand at the bottom, you look up, you see the top. The top looks beautiful. The top looks powerful. The top looks far away. Now imagine you have only one instruction. Reach the top. No map, no steps, no path, no daily plan. How long will you keep walking before you stop? This is how most people live their lives. They set big goals, but they do not build systems. A goal is a wish with a deadline. A system is a plan you live every day. Goals care about results. Systems care about process. Goals say, I will be happy when I arrive. Systems say, I improve a little today. This difference changes everything. When you focus only on goals, your happiness is delayed. You feel successful only at the end. Until then, you feel behind. You feel pressure. You feel stress. If you miss the goal, you feel like a failure. If you reach the goal, you feel empty. You ask, what next? This creates a dangerous cycle. Excitement, pressure, burnout, quit. Systems break this cycle. With a system, every day matters. Every small action counts. You win daily, not someday. Let us talk about why goals fail so often. First reason, goals are too far in the future. Your brain loves rewards, but it wants them now, not in 1 year, not in 5 years. When the reward is far away, your brain loses interest. You choose comfort instead. You choose scrolling. You choose sleep. You choose delay. Second reason, goals depend on motivation. Motivation is unstable. Some days it's high, some days it's gone. If your success depends on how you feel, you will fail. Because you will not always feel good. You will not always feel inspired. Systems do not depend on motivation. They depend on structure. You do not brush your teeth because you feel motivated. You do it because it is part of your system. It is automatic. It is normal. It is non-negotiable.
Third reason, goals focus on outcomes you cannot fully control. You can want success, but you cannot control results completely. You cannot control luck. You cannot control timing. You cannot control other people. What you can control is your daily actions, your effort, your habits, your consistency. Systems focus only on what you control. Fourth reason, goals make you think in extremes. Success or failure. Win or lose. Done or not done. Life is not black and white. Growth is gradual. Progress is slow. Improvement is invisible at first. Systems accept this reality. They work quietly. They build power over time. Now think about this question. If two people have the same goal, who will win? The one with stronger motivation or the one with a better system? The answer is clear. Motivation starts the journey. Systems finish it. Let us look at a simple example. Two people want to learn English. Person A sets a goal. I will speak English fluently in 1 year. Person B builds a system. I will practice English for 20 minutes every day. After 1 week, both feel excited. After 1 month, person A feels tired. The goal feels far away. Progress feels slow. Person B does not think about fluency. Person B thinks only about today. 20 minutes. 1 small step. After 3 months, person B is better. Not perfect, but better. After 1 year, person B is fluent. Not because of talent, not because of luck, but because of a system. This is the power of systems. Systems turn effort into identity. When you follow a system every day, you stop asking, "Can I do this?" You start saying, "This is who I am." You are not trying to be a writer.
You write every day, so you are a writer. You are not trying to be healthy. You move daily, so you are healthy. Identity grows from systems, not goals. Goals say, "I want to change." Systems say, "I live differently." And this is where real transformation begins. Part 2. What a system really is and how to build one. A system sounds complex, but it is not. A system is simply what you do every day. It is the small actions you repeat, even when you are tired, even when you are busy, even when you do not feel motivated. A system is not a big plan. It is not a long checklist. It is not a perfect routine. A system is a simple structure that makes progress automatic. If goals are dreams, systems are habits. If goals are the destination, systems are the road. If goals are hope, systems are discipline. Most beginners fail because they build systems that are too big, too hard, too perfect. They try to change everything at once. Wake up early, exercise 1 hour, read 2 books a week, learn English, start a business. This never lasts. A good system starts small, very small, so small that failure feels impossible. This is the first rule of systems. Make it easy. If your system feels heavy, you will avoid it. If it feels light, you will repeat it. Consistency is more important than intensity. Always. Let us break a system into simple parts. Every good system has 3 elements: trigger, action, reward. The trigger tells you when to act. The action is what you do. The reward makes you want to repeat it. For example, trigger: after I wake up. Action: I read 1 page of English. Reward: I feel proud. I mark a check on my calendar. This looks too simple, but simple systems change lives. The brain loves patterns. When you repeat the same trigger and action, your brain adapts. It saves energy. The action becomes automatic. This is why habits are powerful. They reduce thinking. They remove decision fatigue. You do not ask yourself every day, "Should I brush my teeth?" You just do it. Your goal is to make important actions feel like brushing teeth. Now, let us talk about building your first system. Step 1. Choose 1 area. Not 5, not 10. 1. Health, learning, money, English, confidence. Only 1. If you choose everything, you choose nothing. Step 2. Choose the smallest action possible. Not the best action, not the fastest action, the smallest action. If you want to learn English, do not say 1 hour. Say 5 minutes. If you want to exercise, do not say gym. Say 10 push-ups. If you want to read, do not say 1 chapter. Say 1 page. Your ego will fight this.
It will say, "This is too easy. Ignore it." Easy is the secret. Small actions build momentum. Momentum builds identity. Identity builds results. Step 3. Attach the action to something you already do. This is powerful. After I brush my teeth, I read one sentence. After I drink coffee, I write one line. After I sit at my desk, I open my English app. Old habit plus new habit. This reduces resistance. Your brain already accepts the old habit. Step 4. Track it visually. Humans love seeing progress, even small progress. Use a calendar. Use a notebook. Use a simple checklist. Every day you complete the system, mark it. Do not break the chain. This is not about perfection. It is about continuity. Missing one day is fine. Missing 2 days is dangerous.
Now, let us talk about a mistake many people make. They confuse systems with routines. A routine is fixed. A system is flexible. Life is unpredictable. Some days are busy. Some days are hard. A system survives bad days. On good days, you can do more. On bad days, you do the minimum. The system stays alive. This is why systems are stronger than goals. Goals demand performance. Systems allow adaptation. Now think about success again. Success is not one big moment. It is a quiet accumulation of small wins. One page today, one sentence today, one action today. Most people quit because they want visible results fast, but systems work invisibly at first. Like water heating on a stove, nothing seems to happen until suddenly it boils. People see success and think it was fast. They did not see the system behind it. Let us change how you measure success. Success is not the result. Success is following the system today. Did you do the action? Yes or no? That is all. When you measure success this way, pressure disappears. Fear disappears. Procrastination loses power. You are no longer chasing a future version of yourself. You are becoming that person daily. This is especially important for total beginners. You do not need confidence to start. You build confidence by starting. You do not need clarity. You build clarity by doing. Systems give you feedback every day. Now imagine your life 1 year from now. Not with a big goal achieved, but with one small system repeated daily. 5 minutes a day for 1 year. That is over 30 hours. 10 minutes a day, over 60 hours. This is enough to change a skill, enough to change your body, enough to change your mind. Not because it is intense, but because it is consistent. Part 3. How systems change who you are and last for life. A system does more than create results. A system changes your identity. This is the deepest power of systems. Most people try to change their life by forcing behavior. They push, they struggle, they fight themselves. This never lasts. Real change happens when behavior becomes identity. You do not say, "I am trying to learn English." You say, "I am someone who practices English every day." You do not say, "I want to be disciplined." You say, "I follow my system." This shift is small, but it is everything. Your brain believes actions more than words. Every time you follow your system, you send a message, "This is who I am." Over time, that message becomes truth. Let us talk about how this identity shift works. Every action is a vote for the person you are becoming. One action does not define you, but repeated actions do. If you write one sentence, you vote for being a writer. If you skip, you vote for being someone who quits. Systems make sure you keep voting in the right direction, even on bad days. This is why systems beat motivation. Motivation is emotional. Identity is stable. Now let us talk about failure. Failure is not the enemy. Quitting is. With goals, failure feels final. With systems, failure is feedback. You do not say, "I failed." You say, "The system needs adjustment." This keeps you calm. This keeps you moving. A strong system is designed to survive failure. Here is how. First rule: never miss twice. Missing one day is normal. Life happens. Missing 2 days creates a new habit, a bad one. Your only job is to return the next day, even with the smallest action. Second rule: lower the bar on bad days. On hard days, do the minimum. 1 sentence, 1 push-up, 1 minute. This keeps the identity alive. Third rule: design your environment. Your environment shapes your behavior more than willpower. If your phone is next to you, you scroll. If English is open on your screen, you practice. Make good actions easy. Make bad actions hard. Put the book on your desk. Remove distractions. Prepare tools in advance. Environment is a silent system. Fourth rule: review your system, not your results. Once a week, ask simple questions. Did I follow the system? What made it easier? What made it harder? Do not judge, adjust. Systems grow with you. Now let us talk about patience. Systems reward the patient. At first, nothing seems to change. This is the hardest stage. Most people quit here. But this is where growth is happening underground. Roots grow before the tree appears. If you quit early, you never see the tree. Trust the process. Trust the system. This is not blind faith. This is logic. Small actions repeated over time always compound. Always. Now imagine 2 futures. In the first future, you keep setting goals. You start, you stop, you restart. In the second future, you build one simple system. You repeat it, quietly, daily. 1 year later, the difference is massive. Not because of talent, not because of luck, because of structure. Systems create freedom. When actions are automatic, your mind is free. You stop negotiating with yourself. You stop arguing with your emotions. You just act. This is real discipline. Calm, quiet, consistent. Now let us bring everything together. Stop chasing goals. They are not the problem. They are just incomplete. Use goals as direction. Use systems as your life. Ask yourself one powerful question. What system can I follow today? Not tomorrow, not next year. Today. One small action, one simple rule, one repeatable step. This is how change begins. Not with excitement, but with commitment. Not with pressure, but with patience. Not with goals, but with systems that actually work. This is how you build a better life, one day at a time.
If this video inspired you or helped you learn something new, please take a moment to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Motivation to Study English for 30 minutes every day. Your support is the energy that keeps us creating better and more meaningful videos every single day.